Hey lovelies and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. And today's video is going to be a polygel video from Saviland. Yes, so we're doing the pastel rainbow sort of colours. So the first is SY08 Little Lilac, I guess. The second is 09 Bluff Girl. The next is 10 Light Green. The next 11 Light Yellow. And last but not least is number 12, Pink Bloom. They obviously all have S right at the beginning, but I didn't feel like I had to say that. I also use these products in the set as well. So I am using press-ons today. I'm just going to file away the shine with my nail file. So the reason I think I've explained in videos before, but we have got new subscribers and so on and so forth. So I wanted to make sure that everyone understood why I make press-ons. And also, hi, welcome, and thank you for subscribing, guys. I really do appreciate it, and I am so grateful that you decided to subscribe to this little channel. So anyway, basically, I like to keep my nails that I make. I like to just keep them, and if I ever want to wear them again, and I can, you can do these sets with jewel forms. With half tips. You can do it any which way you like. It's honestly up to you. You can do the same design with the with jewel forms as well. It's just you apply differently. So yeah, that's the only reason I do it. I do like different sort of designs and different application methods, but I just like to keep my press-ons. That is the only reason. So anyway, I'm now applying a even thin layer of base coat to all of the nails, and then I cure for 60 seconds. I'm using the Saviland base coat because I am using Saviland Polygel, but I don't have their matte top coat, so I do end up using the Beetles one. I'm also using this slip solution. Slip solution is essentially just rubbing alcohol. That's all it is. So if you don't have slip solution, you can use rubbing alcohol. You can also use base coat, by the way. So yeah. I will link a video of me using base coat in the cards. I am also using my Macart jewel spatula javelin brush thing. There's so many names for it right now. And I'm just soaking up the alcohol slip solution, whatever you want to call it, into my brush. And now I am going to start applying the polygels. So I just apply in the toothpaste method down the nail, and then dabbing my brush into the slip solution. I wipe it onto a paper towel, and then I go in and start to maneuver the polygel around. I really have to say, I've only used Saviland polygel once before, and I'll link that video in the cards also. I did do a set with these, but I did not like it, so I didn't post it. I didn't upload it because I just wasn't happy with them, and if I weren't happy with them, I didn't want to share with you guys something that I wasn't happy with. You know, I want to give my 100%. I tried to keep sorting them out and trying to make them better, and they were just like a hot mess, so I didn't bother. So anyway, I decided to make another set with this polygel, but I really like Saviland polygel. It's not sticky, it's really easy, it's a nice firmness to it. It's not too firm and it's not too soft, so it moves really nicely around the nail. As you can see, look how easy it is to move, and it's also not breaking up and going all bitty. It doesn't have grains in it neither, which I love. And they cure really well, and I didn't even have to use that much slip solution. So I think I got asked a while ago, which one do I prefer between Saviland, Model 1s and Macart and so on and so forth. I love Model 1s because they do really nice together kits, but I also love Macart. I think Macart Polygel is great, and I think Model 1s and Macart, they're very tie, but Saviland is definitely closer to Macart. I think Macart is my number one. Saviland is a very close second. I love their polygels, and they are much more inexpensive than Macart, I found. And then Model 1s are, again, I love all the different brands for all different reasons, and they all do well in what products they sell. So yeah, I'm just giving you my thoughts and my honest opinions so that you guys can like choose wisely and so on and so forth. So each layer I do cure my nail lamp for 60 seconds. I forgot what I was going to say. Oh right. So I've seen a lot of tiger nails on Instagram lately, and I don't know if it's like because of the Tiger King thing going on Netflix not so long ago. So I just, yeah, I thought, why not make a pastel set. Now I did get most of my inspiration from Natalie Mugridge. Her set, she done a video on it. I'll link the video in the cards down below. She done a video the other day and I just fell in love. I thought it was great and I just decided to do my own swing on things. But I really like this set and yeah, I thought I'd done pretty well. I did do it a bit different to what Natalie did. I think she used gel polish and stuff. But it was really simple and easy to do, guys, as well. And it didn't even take me that long. But I will put a picture of Natalie's set somewhere in the video now. But yeah, hers were stunning and I really liked it. His were definitely better than mine, but I still think I've done pretty good. So I'm just going to let you guys watch the rest of the application and I will come back after I've filed and stuff. I don't do too much filing because they're press-ons, so the shape's kind of already there. So I kind of just file and shape the edges and buff on the top just to give it a bit more shape and stuff like that. But yeah guys, I'll be right back. And I'm back guys, hello! So you just see me put some gel polish onto my teddy bear palette and now I'm using my detailer brush to just draw on the tiger stripes. So I done different sort of designs. I done like some in the middle, I done some on the edge, and I done some in the cuticle area. I kind of mixed it up a little bit. Also I did wipe away the sticky tacky layer and then I filed. You should always wipe away the sticky tacky layer guys when using any sort of gel-based products because it makes it easier to file. If you file before taking off that sticky tacky layer, you're going to be sorry. It is just going to go all over the place. So yeah, it's pretty simple what I'm doing now. I'm just drawing on my tiger stripes and then I cure in the nail lamp for 30 seconds with the tiger stripes because it's detail, it's not like a full nail of polish. So yeah, it was pretty easy to do. I really enjoyed doing these and I think they turned out really well. But I'm just going to let you watch this application and then I'll be back in a bit for the rest of the design because I do some other designs as well. So I'll see you guys in a bit. I begin to I'm back again, guys. Hello. Sorry, I'm in and out, in and out. So now I'm just going to matte top coat. I do matte top coat these, as I always say, when I do like a design on my nails. I like to use matte because it does bring out the design better than shiny top coat, but you will see a quick glance of what they would look like with a shiny top coat before I cure. But you can go in and you can use like glossy top coat. It's completely up to you if that's what you prefer. And then I cured in the lamp for 60 seconds. And now I'm going to use some gold foil and the Macart foil glue. I love this foil glue, it's the best foil glue I've used. So I just dot a little bit onto my palette again, and then I use a dotting tool, and I just plop my dotting tool into the gel, and then I don't make the line straight, I just dot and drag the gel across the like the borders of the stripes, and then once I'm done with that I cure for 60 seconds, and then I go in with my gold foil that I got in the box as well, but I didn't show on camera, by the way. I keep doing that. I keep managing to get back in the box. It's great. Anyway, back to what I was talking about. And then I just put on the foil, and it was really simple. You just press it in and pull it up and it just sticks instantly. This foil glue is amazing. I would highly recommend it. It's the best one I've used. And then I do the same thing then with top coat, a shiny top coat. I put that onto my palette this time, and I use my detailer brush then to just paint on the top coat over the just over the foils, because you need to obviously secure them into the design, and you want them to be shiny, because if you matte top coat them, then it's going to dull them out, and you don't want that. So yeah, but other than that, guys, this is pretty much what I do. I don't think there's anything else to say. No, not that I can think of. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed, guys. Don't forget to watch to the end so you can see the reveal. If you did enjoy, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you again for all the new subscribers. I really appreciate you. And the old subscribers, you guys are amazing. And thank you for all the support and all your lovely comments. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I do post on there like updates and sometimes sneaky previews of what I'm going to be uploading the day before, if that makes sense. But yeah, guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. keep on smiling and stay safe. Bye, guys.
Bye.